Hey girlies, welcome to my channel. If you would like to see this makeup that I created, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel once again. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jessica. I do all things pink. And if you haven't watched my other videos, I suggest you to go and watch them, give them some like and comment on my videos so I can keep on creating more content for all of you. So I want to also like your opinion, your suggestions for this. I'm planning to create some Spanish videos. Since I am a Latina, I would love to create some content for my Spanish viewers as well. So leave your comments down below and let me know what you think, whether I should do it like full on video based on whatever I create for that day, or should I like incorporate within my English videos. So let me know and I'll take your suggestions. So leave your comments down below what you think about that. And yes, all right, so today we're going to be making some makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics. That's my 20 palette. So yep. Okay, but first I will be, preparing my palette. So I'm gonna start with, I love to start with some cream, of course, in my face, and use my fingers for this, you know. Excuse me if you hear any sounds in the background. That's because it is really hot over here, so I opened my windows, so you're gonna be hearing some noises from outside, so excuse me for that. And yes, so I plan to not talk too much for this video, since I'm gonna be fast forwarding it some parts. And yes, so first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, of course. I'm going to be using this little brush that I have right here. It's an angle brush, as you can see. It's an angle brush. This was from Mary Kay. And I'm going to be using my Lancome eyeshadow, 4 palette little eyeshadows. I tried to use the darkest color close to my eyebrows, eyebrows color. So I'm going to be using this one right here. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this mirror. This is from Kevin, what is it called? Sorry. Excuse me. This is from Kevin Aucoin. It's a blush. So it's almost gone. So I'm going to be using the mirror. And then I'm going to be shaping it. Oops. Let me use this too. I'll be using my little eyebrow brush, to brush it all up. So yes, try not to talk too much. I'm just gonna be explaining you guys what I'm doing, and I will be probably commenting some here and there, little comments for you to give me some suggestions. So yeah, let's start now shaping it. I know you kind of probably see them full, my eyebrows full, but like they're really not too full. Like I like to, shape them up a little bit. You'll see how it will look. I like to do it like a natural look. I don't like to like too much, like, harsh, or look like I fill it in. I like it more natural. So yeah, try my best. So this side is a little hard for me to do my eyebrow. I don't know why. I always have difficulties on my doing my left side. Yes. So I'm trying to shaping it up. You know what I mean? Okay, so I guess I did it good. There we go. And okay, so now I will be using my little eyeshadow base. This is from the NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade ESBO3. I can't, it doesn't really say the name, but it's this. I don't know if you can focus. So yeah, okay, all right, it looks like this. So for this, I usually use a brush, but I'm actually gonna use my fingers. You know, I guess it's much better. And of course, I need my close-up mirror. Mm-hmm. So yes, I don't know, ladies. What you think? I'm planning to do. You know what? Follow me on my Facebook. I have a Facebook page. It's Jessica Torrico. Yeah. So follow me over there. Want to gain more followers there? That way I can be able to, do my live videos. If you understand what I mean, I would like to do some makeup tutorials through my Facebook live. And for that, I need followers. So since I just created, I only have 18 followers, and I will appreciate for you if you're watching this video, go follow my Facebook page. I will be leaving the links down below to all my social media pages, and you can go and follow me and support me, creating some content for you pretties out there. And of course, I would love to create as well videos in Spanish, live videos to, share all my thoughts and stuff like that with all my viewers. So yes, I will appreciate so much for you supporting me, and go follow my Facebook page. And yeah, I also plan to do some little, giveaways for my supporters once I've at least reached 1,000 followers, which is one of my goals. So go support me on that. It's free of following, there's no charge, it's free. And yeah, so that's my eyeshadow. As you can see, my eyeshadow base is already done. This is good to put right underneath your eyeshadows, that way your shadows can last a little longer. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in. I'm gonna do a neutral color today, right? For like a neutral color, very nice. So I'm gonna start with this clear brown color, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put it in all over my lids, you know what I mean? So yeah, and you're just gonna be blending it, you know what I mean? Excuse me for the doggy outside barking. Alright, the dog is still barking for some reason, and I apologize for that. So if you hear him barking, please ignore him. Just focus on what I'm doing. So yes, let me not talk right this here in this section right now, since I will be fast forwarding it. So yeah. All right. So now I am gonna be using my other little flat brush. Start putting in this one right here. I'm gonna be adding this beautiful color right here. It's a beautiful pink. It's very, very light pink. This is a light neutral pink color. OMG, girlies, you don't know what happened. By mistake, I thought I was filming my foundation step, and I wasn't. So I already applied the foundation into my face, and I was actually adding some contouring right now. And yeah, that's when I noticed I forgot to, you know, film this part right here. So now I'm gonna grab my little spongy and take this color right here and put it under my eyes, and then just go like this, and then helps you to remove some eye bags. Try not to put too much. And then over here to the font. You know what I mean? Alright, so just leave it there for a couple minutes till we do our nose contouring. So I'm going to be using this brush right here. It was for my liquid foundation, but since I don't really use this brush, I am going to be using for my nose contour. And once again, I'm going in with this color right here. So I'm going to be just using the tip of this brush, since that's the part that will be, defining my nose. So I'm just going to go like this. Defining your nose will make it more slimmer. What do I expect? It's the city, right? So okay, anyways, let's go back to this video. I am doing I'm gonna slim down my nose. Like, it's an appearance, right? We're gonna slim it down. We're not making it thin. Let me correct that. or just, you know, slimming your nose down and make it look more of nah, you know. So then you just brush it out. Okay. So now I'm gonna use this other brush to swipe down my excess powdery thingy from here. So I'm just gonna go like this. I close my eyes. All right. All right, so now I already put my Kevin Aucoin lip gloss. Now I'm going to be adding my Maybelline 705. It was this one right here. I know it's an old makeup. I should be throwing it away. Look at that beautiful shiny. I don't need any gloss anymore, which I was planning to wear. This one right here. But I guess not. Alright, so now I gotta do my eyelashes. I'm gonna curl them right now. Alright, and this is also my curl is from Kevin Aucoin. I'm gonna put now some mascara for today since I am not gonna be wearing on eyelashes. Alright, and before I forget, I am going to be adding a little bit of the pink color underneath my waterline. So I'm gonna go in with this beautiful thin small brush, and I will be adding the same pink that I wear on my eyelid. Okay. Alright, ladies, so I'm done. Alright, girlies, so this is my final look, and yes, as you see, it has a little pinks, browns in it, and it's more of a natural look. And yes, so if you like this look, please give this video a like, comment down below your suggestions, what you think whether of my Spanish videos, and as well as my, you know, comment down below if you would like to see more of these makeup tutorials and what colors you would like me to create. So thank you once again for watching this video. I will love you to please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like, share, and if you haven't watched my other videos, go do so. And also follow my social medias. I will be leaving the links down below. And yes, until next one. Bye, girlies.